Here's how to make a jelly bouncing cube in Blender. Add a new cube with Shift plus A and scale it to any size you want. Then add a plane underneath and scale it bigger. Select the cube, go to the Properties panel on the right, and click the Physics Properties tab. Enable Soft Body. In the Soft Body settings, find the Goals section and uncheck it. Then open the Edges section and set, pull to 0.2, push to 0.2, damp to 0.1, and bending to 5. Now select the plane, go back to the Physics Properties tab and click Collision. Finally, press play on the timeline or hit spacebar. And now you've got a jelly cube that bounces and wiggles. If you want your jelly cube to bounce even more, you can adjust the soft body settings. Try lowering damping to make it jiggle longer or increasing pull and push to make it snap back faster. For a softer jelly, reduce bending, and for a firmer, stiffer cube, raise the bending value higher. Play around with these numbers until you get the exact wobble you like. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Thanks for watching.